If your event poster is not attracting people, it is not your event, it is your design. Today I'm going to show you why most events poster fail and how professionals fix them. And if you are a designer, this will improve your hierarchy instantly, and if you are a business owner, this might explain why your poster is not converting. Now let us break this down. If you see this design, you found that the text is too much, no clear focal point, everything fighting for attention, and the call to action almost invisible. Put in your mind that design is not about decoration only, design is all about communication. Now let us dive in. Fix number one is headline dominance or hierarchy. Here we decide what matters most. If people do not know what this event is in 3 seconds, then you have already lost them. Because hierarchy controls attention and clarity increase response. See how you can fix them. Now go to File and create a new document using these dimensions. Orientation, use portrait, resolution 300 and color RGB 8 bitrate and background, then create. Fill a solid color and go to File, press Embedded. Adjust your image this and press OK. Then go to Filter, Blur, then choose Gaussian Blur. Press OK. Go to Adjustments, choose Color Balance, then go to Magenta and Green 36, enough. Select the image, go to Blending Mode, choose Green, reduce opacity, and go to Image, Adjustments, then Curves. Then go to File, press Embedded. Just use this background, go to FX, then Crop, then fill this color, press OK, group them, and rename as background. Then go to Text tool and create your text. Now because of time, allow me to copy the text that I used before. Now go to this sentence, then use this background measure and font point, use 4 point. Then to this, use the same font, this background, regular, and change to 4 points. Let me turn off this one so that we can see everything. And click them to the same font, this background, regular, and 4 point. Heading, use this background, extra bold, and this point almost good, and create a line here and use this color. Up to now we can distinguish what is the heading and what are subheadings. Now let us go to fix number 2, that is visual structure and pacing. Here alignment creates professionalism, and put in your mind that white space is not an empty space, it is a breathing space. You can control them by turning on your grid or following this process. Now let us change this to paragraph. Yes, this one. The third one is typography control. Here you can control your typography by removing extra fonts and text. This is because too many fonts makes your design look cheap. Always remember that consistent build is trust. Therefore, to me, there are some texts are not supposed to be around. For example, this one and this one. And let us change this font to this background. Then the first one is color discipline. When everything is colorful, nothing stands out. Now you can remove unnecessary color. Better you can keep 2 up to 3 colors, because a controlled palette equals premium perception. Let me change this one to this yellow, and this one remain to black, white. And change this color to 0152B and press OK. Then to this one. The last one is CTA upgrade. And here, if people do not know what to do next, they won't act. Make sure the size and contrast of your CTA is visible, and put in your mind that authority line deliver calmly. So select your CTA and transform as follows. And this text below, we can align them to the center, and this, and to the center, and to this. And let me change color to, and go to FX, have shadow. Okay, let me use this line, change color to this line, palette is the text below and the text above. Now I'm just doing a final polish. You can still watching for the final result. Now let us press this icon. Go to effects. Power over here. Just this green and to this one. Then go to file, press embedded, select the subject, go to mask layer, convert to smart object. Also add a drop shadow. Now see the power of structured design. This is before and this is after. Same information and completely different impact. That is how professionals design. Now this is a strong recap. If you want to design a poster that do not just look good but actually work, subscribe my channel and see you until next time. Thank you.